This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. 2-bedroom and 2 full bath. Split floor plan in a gated community. All laminate wood floors. Quick approvals, all ages community. Monthly rent includes water/sewer/trash/cable/TV/internet/pest control/on-site manager/security guard. Walk-in closet. Screened-in patio with additional storage. Washer/dryer in the unit. Central air conditioner and heating. Freshly painted and ready now. Community amenities includes gym/fitness room, clubhouse, 2 swimming pools, hot tub, tennis courts, basketball, picnic/barbecue and car wash areas. For more information, review the details below.